In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your IGTV videos to your Instagram stories. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Apps That Rule. I'm the Fantastic Joe, and if this is your first time here, this channel brings you tips, tricks, and how-tos for your phone. And as I said in this video, I wanted to talk about IGTV, Instagram stories, and how you can link them together. I'm going to show you real quick. IGTV recently announced that they're monetizing their videos now, and I figured this is a great way to take advantage of that. Let's jump in and I'll show you real quick how to do this. Alright, so jumping in, as you can see, there's a picture I used as with my cats. Why not? Because everybody loves cats. But anyways, we're going to use this picture for training purposes or whatever, walkthrough purposes. What I wanted to show you is basically how to set up your story and then how to link it to Instagram TV. And what we're going to do is, I like to use some text, and it'll say, we're going to say swipe up to see the video. Of course, this won't make any sense because I don't have a video of my cats on IGTV. But what you want to do next is, once you add your text and pictures and whatever you want to add, music, stuff like that, you're going to hit the little link at the top, and it's going to say IGTV swipe up link. Viewers of your story will be able to swipe up to visit the link. You're going to click on that. It's going to bring up all your IGTV videos, which obviously I don't have a lot of, but we'll use this one for example. Halloween trick or treat. I used a little segment. I did that a while ago. We're going to hit done, and then it's going to go say call to action added, which means basically when I post this to my story, it'll tell people that they could swipe up to see the video. I've put another call to action in text on there as well for them to know that, and it's going to take you to IGTV, and everybody's going to go watch it, and you're going to make lots of money because of the monetization, hopefully. So that's pretty much it, how to link your IGTV videos using your Instagram stories. Get out there, start monetizing, getting a little bit of money from your hard work that you put in for those IGTV videos. And you should watch more videos that I put in this playlist right here on Instagram and how to do more things with your stories and everything. And if you haven't done so yet, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon.